Welcome back to Christy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do some pancakes using the Flippin Fantastic. I posted a video in January of 2017 when I first got the Flippin Fantastic. I did one on pancakes and one on eggs. The eggs was a complete disaster. The pancakes do work, but it takes a little practice. I still get comments on those videos to this day. Usually at least once a week someone will comment. They normally go to my spam folder or file, whatever you want to call it, on my YouTube account, but I still can read them. They always say I'm not supposed to use cooking spray. Although the manual clearly says, for best results, spray with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, that's one of them that I hear often. Another one is that I wasn't supposed to use a griddle because I thought using a griddle would give it its best chance for success because when you place it in a pan, it has too many gaps. So I use the griddle. Per the manual, it says the Flippin Fantastic is for use with any 10-inch pan and up or desired cookware. It also says over here on the Buttermilk Pancake directions, heat pan or griddle to medium. So you definitely can use a griddle. It even says it in their manual. Besides the fact that I love pancakes, I keep seeing all these commercials for National Pancake Day on February 27th, which is today. And I thought this would be a fun way to do a video. And if you happen to see this today, go to IHOP and get some free pancakes. I have lots of pancake recipes that I love, but today I'm going to use the one that came in the manual, and I will have it listed in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and whisk the dry ingredients together. I'm going to go ahead and add the buttermilk, add the eggs, and the melted butter. Alright, go ahead and blend well. Their pancake batter is a little bit thicker than most pancake batters, so you'll have to keep that in mind. The instructions say spoon or pour batter to the fill line of each flat bottom ring of the Flippin Fantastic. And it does have a little fill line, it's about halfway up there. It says prior to each use, prep the Flippin Fantastic by heating each side, starting bottom side up for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. This will help ensure total surface contact with pan or desired cookware for no leakage from the flat bottom rings of the Flippin Fantastic. And that's what I'm going to do. Another comment that I get often is I shouldn't spray the griddle and the Flippin Fantastic. But this griddle is 15 plus years old and I spray it anytime I'm making pancakes with no problem. So it shouldn't matter if I'm using the Flippin Fantastic or not. I'm using canola oil. I'm going to go ahead and lightly spray it. Make sure that it's set on medium. Spray the front and back. Alright, now I haven't used this. I think I used it one time after I posted the video. So it may take me 2 batches to remember how to do it. I mean, it's really easy, but it's a trick. It's all about the amount of batter you use. And I'm really notorious for over-filling everything, so. Alright, this batter's a little thick, so it's hard to tell if there's bubbles at the top like you normally would go by. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip it. Should have waited a few more minutes. That was my fault. Yep. Just like before, it takes practice. As usual, I think I overfilled it. They're still going to be delicious, but it didn't do like it was supposed to do. I'll take the blame on that one. Gonna try it again. I got 2 of these, and I do remember this one has a bigger gap. So no matter if you put it on the heat or not, it still has a gap. So But the batter is thick, so we'll see. With eggs, it was a complete disaster. It just ran right out. I'm going to try to use just like 1 tablespoon. This batter's just so thick you just can't see any bubbles. I think I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Dang it, I lost one again. I actually did better on my first video using this. I got it to work. Now, I am not a reviewer. I like to use a bunch of different gadgets and products. If you love reviews, you definitely need to check out 2 Cent Chicks and Freakin' Reviews. They do a great job. I'm just making some pancakes and having fun, that's all. Another comment that I get often is, why can't you just make your own pancakes? Well, of course I can. Just sometimes it's more fun to use a little gadget. And that's why I bought the Flippin Fantastic for. But it may just be their batter recipe because it's so thick. I mean, it's just hard to see the bubbles. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and see if it's ready to flip. Yeah, they're good. There's no bubbles to see. I'm sure I'll get some new comments, but this is just for fun. I'm not trying to sell anybody, or I'm not trying to prevent somebody from buying something. The Flippin Fantastic does work. Maybe it's my griddle. Let's just say that. It could be my griddle. It is a lot easier just to make them the old-fashioned way, in my opinion. Now go out there and get you some free pancakes at IHOP. There you have it. Thanks a lot.